we go. Right?
Okay, we got Albert here. He's going to cook jerk pork.
Right on. Right on. Okay, so this is my magic. Okay? It's my own magic there.
Wow.
So, okay? This is called Albert Magic. Okay. Albert Magic. And then he puts a little bit of this stuff here on it. See?
Secret.
This guy here.
It's a secret. We don't know what it is, but it's jerk flavored.
Jerk flavored. There you go.
Everybody needs a little Albert in their life.
Everybody needs a little Albert. Now, guess what happened? Hey, looks like me. Okay. Again, we actually put a little something here, something here, something here. Start fine. And here. Okay. Here we go. 1 minute 8.
This is a big slices of pork.
Yeah. Some my special sauce there, special powder. I'm gonna hit her again with a little bit of my.
Is this all unique powder to your restaurant?
Yes.
Nice.
Okay, so throw all this stuff here, around. So then we're going to put a little bit of the magic in. See? It's called the magic powder. Made right here at Albert's.
Can people buy the sauces and powders?
Yes, they can buy the
Secret ingredients.
no, they can buy the sauce. I make the sauce here, so they can
Right.
always buy it here.
That's
Okay,
great.
So now we're going one more baby here.
Yeah,
Put
right.
on the magic guy first. Okay. Put on a little bit of this stuff here.
And Albert's been doing this for decades.
Albert's been doing this for nearly 40 years.
There you go, 40 years. He's mastered the jerk.
Long before you were born.
Thank you for that.
Okay. There you go. So we do that. And then we put some Albert's jerk sauce on it.
Ah.
See that? This is good stuff.
Wow.
See? She's almost ready to go in the oven. Almost ready.
Now, is your sauce, jerk sauce, different than in Jamaica, or is it?
Yes.
Yeah?
It's different. Because it's Albert's.
Exactly. How did you invent your own jerk sauce? Just trial and error?
After 34 years of almost 38 years of being in the business, about 15 years ago I came up with my own sauce.
Very good. It's fresher, tastier.
Fresher, and to be very honest with you, a lot of my ingredients grow here, right here in Ontario.
Oh, excellent.
So I'm supporting the farmers.
Yeah, supporting local. That's good.
Yeah. Supporting our Canadian farmers, sir. So they grow just about everything here for me to make my sauce.
That's wonderful.
Okay. So now here we go. We're ready now. So now that's stage 3. We got some onions. Okay.
Wow, I can smell the onions.
See, everybody do their jerk different. Yeah. And we're ready to go. So now, our jerk is now seasoned. And She's actually ready to go in the oven.
Excellent. Thank you,
Okay.
Albert, for now, though. So,
Yeah.
guys, stay tuned for next stage.
Okay. That's right. Good for you.